is Sir Sohan Roy. Sir Sohan Roy is a dynamic maritime professional, Forbes enlisted entrepreneur and the founder chairman of Aries Group of Companies, a multinational consortium of 76 companies in 29 countries. He's the director of the Oscar-selected Hollywood venture DAM 999 and the mastermind behind the revolutionary USD 10 billion project Indywood. Among his notable achievements are the launch of Pioneer Ventures, among which is the world's first maritime TV channel, the International Maritime Club, the Indywood Billionaire, the revolutionary HR efficiency enhancement tool, the World Medical Council. As the founder of Aries Maritime Research Institute, Sir Sohan Roy has spearheaded the concept of industrial doctorate, transforming AMRI into the Indiversity, revolutionizing education with artificial intelligence, career design, and educational 3D theaters. He was honored with the Knighthood of Part Galfa in Florence, Italy, for his humanitarian activities and notable contributions for spreading the message of environmental sustainability. Please put your hand together for Sir Sohan Roy.
Good afternoon, young entrepreneurs. Welcome to the well of industry. So happy to see so many youngsters coming up with innovative concepts, and they're all the future of our industry. As you all know, the final destination of academics is industry only. You have no other place to go. You need to be a part of one of the industries. Otherwise, you have no meaning to spend almost 50,000 hours in your career to learn something and reach the industrial destination. But not everyone is going to become an entrepreneur. It is your choice. Every job is created by an entrepreneur. That is a fact. So it is your choice whether you want to be a leader or a follower. And to become an entrepreneur, you don't need to have any rocket technology with you. You need to have certain determination and that courage. That's all. When I came to UAE, I had only 50 dirhams in my pocket. When I started Aries Group 27 years back, I had 50 dirhams in my pocket. But I had the determination. I want to have a baby. I mean, baby means the company. Because for me, my company was born like my baby. See, how you are all born. First of all, your mother was carrying you in the womb for a few months. After that, you were born. But it took for your mother to take care of you for years. The first couple of years, she was behind you for 24 hours. When you start a company also, you should keep it in mind. You are like a mother. If you cannot have the patience to nurture and nurture that idea, the baby will not be born. That means the company formation happens after a few months of the idea creation. But your job doesn't finish with the delivery of the baby. You need to take care 24 hours in the first couple of years. If you give your baby to your mate, the baby will be grown up in a different way. The attachment with the baby and the mother will be different. If you want to see your baby grown in the way you want to see in future, you need to spend your time, your energy, everything, and the same way you need to look after the company also the same way. So try to mold yourself as a mother if you really want to become an entrepreneur. From my perspective, I'll tell you, the real strength of our company, if you ask me, I will tell it is none other than our entire human resource. Our management system is totally different. Maybe we got the most unique HR features in the world. We consider our every employee as a partner in the company. The 50% of the shares belongs to the employees. It is like a family. I place myself as the eldest brother in the company. We are the only company in the world giving spouse salary. All the non-working spouses of the employees, they all get a salary. We are the only company giving pension for the parents, father and mother. We are the only company giving the allowance for all the babies also. And we have a pension system. Even in the private sector, we have a retirement scheme, pension system, everything. So, like that, almost 25 unique features we have. That's why today Aries is growing like anything. Now we have more than 76 companies because no one will leave it. This is the first thing you should understand. You can start a company, but if you try to take the 90% to your pocket and give only the peanuts to your employees, tomorrow they will leave. They are the real asset. Your downfall starts the moment you are losing that real strength, your HR. Give them respect, give them the treatment just the same way like looking yourself. Believe me, today I can hire a chartered flight for my personal use, but still today I am traveling in economic class to make sure that I am in par with all my employees. The moment they can also go a chartered flight, I will go use that one. So this is when I give this feel to the employees, they give the same thing back. So today you are all here with innovative ideas. Tomorrow you may be a millionaire or a billionaire. But the day you start avoiding your employees, you are going to lose your ground. Keep it in mind. Along with the quality product, you need to have the quality staff. To have the quality staff, you need to have the better treatment for them. The way you give the quality for your product, the same quality of life, everything you should try to give to your employees. Treat them like your brothers and sisters. If you have a brother and sister have a problem, how you deal it, the same way you should deal it. Don't like a slave. This is the only message I want to give. And wish you all the best. For you all got a bright future. And I want to see your products in the shelves of the supermarkets or somewhere. Because the business is just like taking money from others' pocket to your pocket. But when you take that money, the person should give it with a smile or happiness. So to have that happiness, your service or your product should be better than the expectation of the consumer. So think that way and do a proper job. Make your clients happy, make your employees happy. Ultimate goal should be not the money, it should be the happiness. Happiness for you and your employees and your consumers. Thank you very much.